Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the TP-Link Archer C6 AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi router, full Gigabit MU-MIMO mode. This is a Wi-Fi router that can be used at home and in office. It supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz wavelength of broadband. It also comes with advanced security with WPA3 and also supports smart roaming. There's an image of the router right over here. It comes with 4 antennas, you can see, and it has a mesh design over here as well. I will obviously give you a closer look. Let's quickly take a look at the other features mentioned. Over here it says MU-MIMO Technology serves multiple devices at once, reducing wait time, increasing Wi-Fi throughput for every device, and making each stream more efficient. WPA3 security, the latest Wi-Fi security protocols. WPA3 brings new capabilities to improve cybersecurity, more secure encryption in Wi-Fi password safety, and enhanced protection against brute force attacks combined to safeguard your home Wi-Fi. And over here there is a diagram that tells you how to place your Wi-Fi in your home. So this is a good addition as well. And this particular image over here tells you what the different ports are. There's a power port, Gigabit WAN port, 4 LAN ports, and there's also WPS Wi-Fi button over here along with a reset button. Okay, also for better results, you should probably download the TP-Link Tether app on your smartphone to control this particular router better. This will make your Wi-Fi experience smoother and much more, make the experience smoother. That's more or less it. I'll open this box and show you this. So this is what you will find inside the box. We have some documents first. This is a GNU General Public License Notice from TP-Link, and this is the quick installation guide for the MU-MIMO Wi-Fi router. Everything that you want to know is given over here with full diagrams on how to connect different devices and an extender or a modem, etc. Everything that you want to know, along with access points, how to set up via network or via browser. All you need to know to set up this device is here, so this is a very important document. This is the power adapter for this router. This router needs to be connected at all times, so this is a power adapter that will make it happen. And this is a LAN cable that comes with it, so when you want to attach this router directly to a PC or laptop, this is what you will use. Now let's take a look at the router itself. So this is the router, this is what it looks like. These are the 4 antennas that it comes with. There's a protective layer on it. I'm not going to remove it right now. It's a brand new router after all. It's a very lightweight router as well, not the largest one or the clunkiest one. It's pretty thin. There is this mesh design right on top. It makes it look very elegant as well. And there's a TP-Link logo over here. Underneath, you have these 2 grooves for when you want to mount it on a wall, and along with 4 anti-slip stops. And at the back, you have several ports and buttons. So let's quickly take a look at them. So you have the power button, the power port. Then you have the Gigabit WAN port. These are the 4 LAN ports, and you also have WPS Wi-Fi button over here and a reset knob over here as well. So this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the TP-Link Archer C6 AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi router. Thank you for watching.